A well-packed carry-on can make or break your travel experience. Delays, lost luggage, or long layovers become a lot easier when you have the right essentials within arm's reach. From security must-haves to comfort boosters, these carry-on essentials will keep your trip smooth, stress-free, and efficient. Always keep your passport, boarding pass, Idaho, and any necessary visas in a secure, easy-to-access pouch. A digital copy stored on your phone adds an extra layer of security. A travel wallet helps keep everything organized, including credit cards and any necessary foreign currency. A fully charged phone is a lifeline while traveling. Carry a portable charger and a universal travel adapter to ensure you stay connected wherever you go. Noise-canceling headphones or earbuds are essential for blocking out distractions on the plane, and a charging cable in your carry-on ensures your devices stay powered up. Long flights can be exhausting, but a neck pillow, a sleep mask, and a lightweight travel blanket help create a comfortable space. Hydration is key, so bring an empty, reusable water bottle to fill up after security. Travel-sized toiletries, including hand sanitizer, face wipes, a toothbrush, and deodorant, keep you feeling fresh during long travel days. Airport food can be expensive and limited in options. Pack healthy, non-perishable snacks like protein bars, nuts, or dried fruit. Staying hydrated is crucial, so having a refillable water bottle prevents unnecessary purchases and keeps you feeling refreshed. A book, magazine, or downloaded content on a tablet provides entertainment when in-flight Wi-Fi isn't available. A small notebook and pen can be useful for jotting down notes, filling out customs forms, or planning your itinerary. A small first aid kit with Band-Aids, pain relievers, and motion sickness tablets can be a lifesaver. If traveling to a different time zone, consider packing melatonin or sleep aids to adjust smoothly. A change of clothes in your carry-on ensures you're prepared for unexpected delays or lost luggage. A well-prepared carry-on transforms travel into a seamless experience. By packing these essentials, you'll stay organized, comfortable, and ready for anything that comes your way. Safe travels, and make every trip stress-free with the right gear in hand.